Mary, a guest just called. He wants breakfast. Now.
Now? It's 3 a.m.
I know. He says he has an early flight. He leaves at 5.
Okay, what does he want?
Eggs, toast, orange juice, and coffee.
We have everything, but the kitchen is closed.
I know. Can you help me?
Yes, let's go. I can make the eggs, you prepare the juice and coffee.
Good idea. Thank you, Mary.
No problem. This is our job.
The eggs are ready. The coffee, too.
Great. The toast is almost ready.
I will take everything to room 214.
Wait, add a small note. Write, "Good morning" and "Safe travels."
Oh, that is a nice idea.
Small things make guests happy.
You are right. Okay, let's go. Thank you, Mary.
Anytime, John. This is what we do.